Very good morning, children. Let's move on to further sums from your exercise 3.3. Few sums we have discussed in the last lecture. Now we'll solve the remaining sums in this lecture. Okay. So let's first one. It is show that 1 upon tan 3a minus tan a minus 1 upon cot 3a minus cot a is equal to cot 2a. Now there are two ways to solve this sum. First is I'll convert tan in terms of sin and cos. Okay, so I'll write LHS में tan as sin upon cos. Similarly, I'll write cot as cos upon sin. ठीक है. Now the only thing left with me is cross multiplication. I need to cross multiply everything. तो देखो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो cos 3a cos a ऊपर चला जाएगा, cos 3a cos a will go up and डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा sin 3a cos a minus cos 3a sin a. सिमिलरली सेकेंड टर्म में भी sin 3a sin a will go up after cross multiplication. It is cos 3a sin a minus sin 3a cos a. Now if you observe the denominator of both the term, it is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Correct? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. तो न्यूमरेटर I'll write as it is. डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. That is sin a minus b. So 3a minus a becomes sin 2a. क्या हो जाएगा? sin 2a. Similarly, ये भी sin a cos a minus cos a sin b. sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This also becomes sin of a minus b. That is minus 2a. क्योंकि a minus 3 होगा ना, क्या होगा? a minus 3a. Now what is sin of minus theta? Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So this minus and this minus becomes plus. तो I'll get cos a 3a cos a, डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया तो sin 3a sin a upon sin 2a. Correct? Denominators are same, so I have taken denominator common and numerators are added. Now what do you mean by cos a cos b plus sin a sin b? Cos 3a cos a plus sin 3a sin a. ये किसका फॉर्मूला है? cos a minus b का. किसका? cos a minus b का. Correct? Which will give me cos 2a upon sin 2a. What is cos 2a upon sin 2a, children? Cot 2a, which is nothing but your RHS. Correct? This is one way you could have solved the sum. Another way was you could have applied the formula of tan 3a, which we'll learn later in the later half of the session. Okay? tan 3a का formula apply करोगे तो भी आंसर आएगा, or else convert tan in terms of sin and cos. Okay? Clear everyone? Okay, now next sum. Next sum is you have to show that cos 7 degree, cos 14 degree, cos 28 degree, cos 56 degree as sin 68 degree upon 16 cos 83 degree. 16 cos 83 degree. So if you observe the same type of sum we have done, just RHS has been changed. So let us look at the LHS carefully. If you see the angles of LHS, they are multiples of 7. So I can write first, then 14 becomes 2 theta, 28 becomes 4 theta, 56 becomes 8 theta. If you remember, it is same as the 8th example, correct? So what will I do? Just to make it look appear easy, first I'll write the LHS as it is. Cos 7 degree, cos 14 degree, cos 28 degree, cos 56 degree. Then I will say let 7 degree be theta. Let 7 degree be theta. Okay? So when I say 7 degree is theta, मेरा LHS हो जाएगा cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 8 theta. Now if you remember this type of sum, what we did, we multiplied numerator by 2 sin theta and divided numerator by 2 sin theta. Correct? क्या किया मैंने, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में I have multiplied by 2 sin theta. I can multiply and divide. Am I right? So now see, 2 sin theta cos theta क्या हो जाएगा, sin 2 theta है ना. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Are you getting it? Now again I'll multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Correct? So now this 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta becomes sin 4 theta. क्या हो जाएगा, sin 4 theta. Am I right? So denominator हो गया आपका 4 sin theta. I'll repeat again, I'll multiply by 2. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta, that is sin 8 theta. क्या हो जाएगा, sin 8 theta. So it is 8 sin theta. Again I'll multiply by 2. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2 sin 8 theta cos 8 theta is sin 16 theta. कितना हो जाएगा, sin 16 theta upon 16 sin theta. Sin 16 theta upon sin theta. Now I want answer in terms of numbers, so I'll replace theta by 7 now. So sin, what is 16 7 children? कितना होता है 16 7 how much, 112. 16 7 is 112 degree और ये 16 sin 7 degree. Now if you remember, I want cos 83 और मेरे पास डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है, sin 7. So by complementary, sin 7 can be written as cos 83 degree. What can I write sin 7 as? Sin 7 as cos 83 degree, and sin 112 can be written as pi minus 68. है ना, 112 can be written as 180 minus 68, and sin pi minus theta is sin theta. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta. Understood? And that is nothing but your RHS. Getting it? It was very easy. Am I right? Clear? Now next 14th sum you will try on your own. It is very easy. It is just you have to apply the formulas. So that I'll give you as homework. Let us go 15th one now. Next you have to show that 2 cos 4x plus 1 upon 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos x minus 1, 2 cos 2x minus 1. ठीक है, again I'll take LHS 2 cos 4x plus 1 upon 2 cos x plus 1. Now see, first thing is मुझे न्यूमरेटर में 2 cos x minus 1 चाहिए और मुझे डिनोमिनेटर नहीं चाहिए RHS में. करेक्ट? I don't want denominator in RHS, plus I want 2 cos x minus 1 in numerator. So what can I do? Either I can rationalize the denominator. Let us try. अगर rationalize किया तो क्या होता है, 2 cos x minus 1, 2 cos x minus 1. ठीक है, अब I want angle as 2x and I have angle as 4x. So this cos 4x can be written as 2 cos square 2x minus 1, है ना, and denominator हो जाएगा a plus b into a minus b, that is 4 cos square x minus 1. How much will become? 4 cos square x minus 1. I'm just giving a try. Let us see what we get by doing this. So 2 multiply हो जाएगा, so I'll get 4 cos square 2x minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 cos square 2x. Let us see what we get. So 4 cos square x minus 1 into 2 cos x minus 1. ठीक है, now say this will become minus 1. So 4 cos square 2x minus 1, that is 4 cos square 2x minus 1, 4 cos square x minus 1. Correct? Now numerator क्या हो जाएगा मेरा, again I'll apply numerator as a square minus b square. व्हाट विल आई डू, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, तो वो आ जाएगा 2 cos 2x माइनस 1, 2 cos 2x प्लस 1, 2 cos x माइनस 1 अपॉन 4 cos square x minus 1 upon 4 cos square x minus 1. Correct? Yes. Now see, this is my requirement. This is my requirement. Now these two I have to get rid of by some ways. So मैं क्या करूँगा? What is required? I'll keep it aside. I will not disturb that. So इसको मैंने as it is रखा है. ठीक है? Now again 2 cos 2x. What can I write cos 2x as? Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Correct? 2 I have written 2 as it is. Cos 2x को लिखा है 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1 and denominator as it is. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 4 cos square x minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 कितना होता है? Minus 1. Correct? Yes or no? Just observe these steps carefully. You will understand. Okay, rest remaining terms I am writing as it is. Okay, देखो ये और ये कट हो गया and whatever is left that is my RHS. Understood? This is nothing but my RHS. आया समझ में? Any doubts still here? Sure everyone? क्या किया? सिर्फ 4x को 2x बनाया, 2x को x बनाया and denominator को rationalize किया. क्या किया? Denominator को rationalize किया. Okay, sum, a very important sum. It has been asked in JEE mains also. You have to show that cos square x plus cos square x plus 120 degree plus cos square x minus 120 degree is equal to 3 by 2. This can be asked as an integer type question also. ठीक है? So I'll start with LHS, that is cos square x. I'll write this as cos x plus 120 the whole square, and I'll write this as cos x minus 120 the whole square. ठीक है? Let us open it now. What is cos a plus b? Cos a plus b क्या होता है? Cos a cos b माइनस साइन ए साइन बी बराबर. सिमिलरली cos a माइनस बी क्या होगा? cos a cos b प्लस साइन ए साइन बी. करेक्ट? यस? यस और नो? नाउ ऑब्जर्व इट केयरफुली जस्ट टू मेक इट इजी अंडरस्टैंड. आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन अ नाइस वे. सी, इसको a मानते हैं, इसको b मानते हैं, तो ये अगर a है और ये b है तो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या हो जाएगा? a ये b. दैट इज माय एक्सप्रेशन बिकम्स a माइनस b द होल स्क्वायर प्लस a प्लस b द होल स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टूड? cos x cos 120 को a माना है, sin x sin 120 को b माना है. सो इफ आई डू लाइक दैट आई विल गेट a minus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole square. And when we open this identity, how much I'll get? Yes, it will be 2 times a square plus b square. Am I right? क्या आएगा? 2 times a square plus b square. Are you getting it? So I'll apply the same method over here. Cos square x plus 2 times a square. A square क्या आएगा? Cos square x cos square 120 plus sin square x sin square 120 degree. Okay, so it becomes cos square x plus 2 times. Now everybody knows what is cos 120 and sin 120. cos 120 किसका टेबल है? 60 का टेबल. तो cos 60 कितना होता है? हाफ. तो ये कितना आएगा? cos square x हाफ का स्क्वायर दैट इज 1 by 4 and sin square x. What is sin 120? root 3 by 2 का स्क्वायर. करेक्ट? that is cos square x plus this will become 2 cos square x 2 by 4 plus ये भी हो जाएगा 2 by 4 into 3 sin square x. Am I right? Yes. So what will I get? 2 2s are 2 2s are. Are you getting it? That is cos square x प्लस हाफ कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस 3/2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स, है ना। अब ये कितना हो जाएगा, 3/2 कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स, दैट इज 3/2 cos square x plus 3/2 sin square x. I can take 3/2 common. What is left? Cos square x plus sin square x. अभी cos square x plus sin square x क्या होता है, 1. Therefore answer is 3/2, which is nothing but RHS. Understood? Yes. Any doubts, children? No. It was very nice, some children. I hope you understood how I applied the identity. Here the identity should click here. Otherwise, if you sit and multiply, it will become little bit lengthy. Okay. Some it is have to show that 2 cosec 2x plus cosec x is equal to sec x into cot of x by 2. ठीक है. So again I will take LHS. क्या है मेरा LHS? 2 cosec 2x प्लस cosec x. मुझे आंसर sec और cot में चाहिए, करेक्ट. So to make it simple, I will convert everything in terms of sign. What is cosec 2x? 1 upon sin 2x. What is cosec x? 1 upon sin x. करेक्ट. नाउ मुझे आंसर में एंगल x चाहिए और x by 2 चाहिए. So I'll write sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x. I'll write sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x. So 2 cut, correct. Now from here I can take 1 upon sin x common. What can I do? I can take 1 upon sin x common. What is left? 1 upon cos x plus 1. बराबर? Yes. So I can write this as 1 upon sin x. So cross multiply किया तो 1 plus cos x upon cos x, correct. 1 plus cos x upon cos x. Now see, मुझे sec x चाहिए तो 1 upon cos x ready है. So I'll keep this sec x aside. I'll only disturb the remaining part, that is 1 upon sin x into 1 plus cos x. अब देखो sec x मुझे मिल गया है, remaining angle मेरा x by 2 है, and what angle is left with me? X. So I have to disturb this. I have to disturb this x to x by 2. Let us see how we can do that. ये आएगा sec x. 1 plus cos x क्या होता है? If you remember, 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. And sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So 2 cut, एक cos और एक cos cut. That is sec x into cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2. What is cos upon sin? Cot. That is sec x into cot of x by 2, which is nothing but your RHS. Always look at the LHS, RHS carefully. You will get hints whether I have to apply double angle formula or not. Getting it? Yes. Now 18th sum you will try. It is same as 16th one. Just instead of degree they have given radian measure. Okay. Just instead of degree they have given radian measure. So that sum you will try. Let's move on to the last sum from the exercise. It is show that sin x into tan x by 2 plus 2 cos x is equal to 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. LHS बड़ा है, so I'll start with LHS. Sin x tan x by 2 plus 2 cos x. Now see, I want again angle as x by 2. तो मैं क्या करूंगा? sin x को लिखूंगा डबल एंगल फॉर्मूला 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. What is tan x by 2, children? Sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. And I'll keep 2 cos x as it is for time being. तो देखो ये cos cancel, तो I got 2 sin square x by 2 plus 2 cos x. If you remember, you know the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta क्या होता है? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Similarly, I can write cos x as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Correct? Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 sin square x by 2, 2 cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin square x by 2. तो ये दोनों कट. What is left? 2 cos square x by 2. What is cos square? Cos square is 1 upon sec square. Cos square क्या होता है? 1 upon sec square. What is sec square? 1 plus tan square. Why I am doing this? Because I want answer in terms of tan. तो cos square को लिखा 1 upon sec square. Sec square को लिखा 1 plus tan square. Getting it? Clear everyone? Yes. I hope there is no doubt everybody. Sure? Yes? Okay. So in the next class we'll again use the formula of sin A plus B, sin A minus B, and try to see what we get when we add them and what we get when we subtract them, for sin also and for cos also. Okay.